hello, hello. Myself Prafulla Kumar. I'm lecturer in chemistry. Today, I'm discussing the topic from chemical pesticides chapter. So, main topic is general introduction of pesticides. So here, introduction of pesticides. Pesticide substance. Pesticides are generally it's a substance. It means to control the pests, including weeds. The term pesticides include all of following like herbicides, it is coming under the plants, insecticides, it is insects, which may be include insect growth regulators, termicides, and etc. And then it is also a nematicides, molluscides, pesticides, herbicides, rodenticides, bactericide, insect repellent, animal repellent, antimicrobial, and fungicide. In general, a pesticide is a chemical or biological agent such as virus, bacteria, or fungus that deters, incapacitates, or kills, otherwise discourages of pests. A substance. So, how can we define the definitions of pesticides? A substance that are used to destroying or insect of other organisms. It is harmful to cultivate plants or animals. Absolutely. And another way to explaining and any substance used for controlling, preventing, or destroying, or repelling, or mitigating any pest. So that is the definitions. So simply can says that is a substance which are used to kill or destroy other organism to cultivated plants. So the majorly pesticides are different ways commonly in natural and synthetic pesticides are there. So some of the pesticides under vitamins such as ascorbic acids in orange, alcohol, it is also a pesticides one of the naturally coming under fermenting fruits, and synthetic are aspartic acid made by from glucose, and alcohols made from ethane to steam. So these are the man-made, that means it is synthetically made from the man-made. So type of pesticides. So pesticides are different types are there. Organophosphates. So these are the phosphate and carbon groups are present in the type of pesticides. Carbamates that containing carbon and nitrogen. Pyrethroids and organochlorines containing carbon atom and alkyl group are attached to the chlorine atom, and other chemicals. These are the types of pesticides. Type of pesticides. So here insecticides, that means it kill insects by blocking reproduction, clogging airways, or disrupting nervous system. Majorly pesticides in the insecticide to kill the cultivated plants in the disrupting the nervous system. Mainly the nervous system should be all the nerves which can be weak from the pesticides. Next it is herbicides. It should be killed by disrupting metabolism and growth. Fungicides, fungus killers, and rodenticides, it's a rat or mouse killer. So it is a family of fungus. So here next move on to the benefit of pesticides. So what are the benefits in the pesticides? So pesticides, it is used to improve the crop yield, and also livestock quality, and improved invasive species controlled and controlling human livestock disease vectors and other nuisance organisms under the in the environment. In different kinds of the organisms are present which are unknown, some of unknown, and they will different type of diseases will caused, and the pesticide which it control or destroy the diseases, and human lives saved and disease reduced. So pesticides are used to save human life and reduced the diseases. These diseases include malaria, with millions of lives have been saved or enhanced with a use of DDT alone. So commonly DDT is the one of the best pesticide. It's a firstly used in DDT. It should be alone. Animal leaves a saved and disease reduced controlling organisms that are harm other human activities and structure. Drivers view unobstructed. Tree, brush, leaf, hazardous prevented. So commonly the plant containing tree. So here the tree containing brush, leaf, hazardous prevented should be mainly important thing, and wooden structures are protected. Some of the wooden structures should be uh, disease caused by the different kinds of organisms. And adverse effects. So here commonly we are using pesticides, but the what are the adverse effect if we are using a pesticides are affected in our life mainly by two ways. One is healthy effects and another one is environmental effect. Obviously, whenever using the pesticides, it may cause acute and delayed health effects in slowly in the people who are exposed. Commonly, pesticides are highly intolerable smell. This smell should be inhalation to the human. Some of the respiratory tract should be infected, and variety of caused from the pesticides it can be caused, and it should be a adverse health effects like irritation of the skin, eyes, nose, severe such as inhalations, and it affected mainly on our nervous system. It long form to the nervous system and exposed to the pesticides. It should be a caused long time a cancer. Long time cancer should be possibility should cause the cancerous. And commonly in environmental effects, so in our environment is very concerned in the god. So but here the pesticides use raises a number of environmental concerns. Over 98% of sprayed insecticides and 95% of herbicides other than their target species, including non target species, air, water and soil. So in our earth, air is heavenly for human being for respiratory tract infection. Water should be commonly main intent of the human being, and soil. So these are the main pillar of environment. This is mainly caused from the pesticides in air, water and soil. So these are the different manner to effects on the pesticides, sorry, on pesticides by using different diseases to kill or avoid or destroying. So these are the commonly effects should be caused by pesticides. And next is this is the reference. So you go through the